Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Putu Ayu Suryaningsih from 5B class English Language Education. In this video, I would like to present a data that I got from an article in the internet entitled Respon Mahasiswa terhadap Pembelajaran Bahasa Inggris Berbasis Blended Learning Melalui Edmodo di Universitas Baturaja. So this research was conducted by some students from FKIP Universitas Baturaja. So without any further ado, let's jump to the topic. So here are some topics that will be discussed in this video. The first one is purpose, the second one is variable, the third one is skills of data, the fourth one is data, the next one is conclusion, and the last one is implication. So for the purpose, the purpose of this research is to determine student perception of blended-based learning in English learning through Edmodo at Baturaja University. And for the variable of this research is student responses to English learning based on blended learning through Edmodo. So this variable is independent variable, and because this data only has one variable, this data also called as univariate data. And for the scales of data, the type of the data scale in the survey is an ordinal scale. For data collection, using a closed questionnaire instrument with the choice of agree or disagree. And for data processing is processing questionnaire data using quantitative descriptive statistical technique, which are then interpreted. So for the next is about data. So total respondents of this research is 44 people, and they are students of the Educational Technology Study Program that still actively studied English. And for the statement, these are the statements that given by researcher. So there are 8 statements that given by the researcher to the respondent. And for the data, researcher present the data in the form of bar chart. And for the percentage, the researcher present the percentage in the form of table. And from this data, we can see that the significant differences for the result for the statement number 1 with other statement, where in the statement number 1, mostly respondents that they disagree with the statement, and for other statement, mostly respondents that they agree with the statement. So there are reasons why mostly respondents that disagree for the statement number 1. So the statement number 1 is learn English with an online learning system rather than face-to-face with the lecture. And for this statement, mostly respondents that they disagree because of students prefer conventional learning because of habits are given directly from the lecturer. And then another reason is limitation on quotas or internet access. But for another statement, mostly respondents that they agree. Let's say for example is statement number 2. Edmodo is interesting media in learning English, and mostly respondents that they agree with the statement because of students are attracted and delighted with interface or display. So most learners are excited and motivated to use Edmodo. And for the explanation, it can be concluded that most of the respondents gave positive responses regarding the use of Edmodo in blended-based learning in English learning. So this shows that Edmodo becomes a preferred learning media for students. However, for the record, one of the obstacles in using Edmodo is about internet access problem. And the implication for this survey or this research is for lecturer. So lecturer can consider Edmodo as a media in learning English. So there is a variation and innovation in learning English, and learning English is not monotone anymore. I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention, and I do apologize if I make a mistake during the presentation. Thank you and see you.